everybody, once again welcome back to my platform or my channel. Today we are going to answer question 10. A lot of people are wondering how are we going to draw a tetrahedron or if they are able to draw it, how are they going to place the points A, B, C, P, Q. So this is what we are coming to do. So please stay attentive and listen very well so that you can apply it in the next questions or in your examination questions. So the question is that OABC is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is a 3D figure. So it is a 3D figure like a triangle. So maybe so this is our tetrahedron. So maybe the point O is somewhere here, A is here, B here, and C. So this is our tetrahedron OA. So they said that OA is what? OA is A. So we represent the vector OA as A. Then OB as B. So OB is B. So OB is B. Then OC as what? C. Okay. So let's continue. The points P and Q are such that OA is equal to AP. We aren't told that P and Q are points on the or inside the tetrahedron or outside the tetrahedron. So we are assuming that maybe point P is here, and Q, let's say somewhere here. So they are saying that OA is equal to OP. So I think if OA is A, then AP is what? Is also A. Then OB is BQ is 2 times OB. So this, that means OB is B, then BQ will be 2 times B, 2B. Okay, let's continue reading the question. The point M is the midpoint of PQ. Point M is the midpoint of PQ. So let me just have it here. So that means we have to complete to join P and Q together. Then point M is somewhere here. So that's the midpoint of PQ. So PQ. So it's moving in the direction of Q. So from P to Q. So this is the question we are doing, question 10. Find AB. So we are finding AB, PQ. So we are finding these vectors CQ, QM MB OM in terms of A, B, and C. Okay. So AB, so from the diagram, AB is equal to, so using the triangular law of vectors, AB, so from A to B, this line is will be equal to AO plus OB, which is equal to OA is equal to negative AO is equal to negative AO. AO is equal to negative OA, so that's negative A plus B. So this is for AB. Let me expand. So our AB is equal to negative A plus B. Okay. The next one is PQ. PQ will be equal to, so let's find OQ by joining O to Q and OP. Even though we can use the quadrilateral law of vectors to find it, but let's do this. Okay, so PQ, so from using this triangle, PQ will be equal to PO plus OQ. So this will be equal to, let's find PO. So from this triangle, PO will be equal to OA plus AP. So OA plus AP. Using the triangular law of vectors, plus OQ. OQ will be equal to, so we are considering this triangle for OQ, so OB plus BQ, OB plus BQ. We know OA to be A plus AP, which is also A, plus OB, which is B, plus BQ, which is 2B. So PO, which is OA plus AB, so it should be negative OA, because negative, what we've written here is OP. So this is the formula for finding OP. So negative OP is equal to PO. So we should negate the OP to get PO. so this is negative, so we have negative 2a plus b plus 2b, which is 3b, and this is the value for PQ, negative 2a plus 3b. Okay, let's continue with our findings. So now we are going to find CQ. We are going to find CQ. I've cancelled my C, now I write it up. So CQ, that means we are finding from C all the way to Q. So using our triangular law of vectors, you can guess the points that we need to find CQ. So we need CO plus OQ, CO plus OQ. So OQ, we have already found OQ to be what? 3b. OQ, which is called OQ, is called to OB plus BQ, which is B plus 2b, which is called to 3b. So using the triangular law of vectors, CO is called to negative OC. So CO is called to negative, CO is equal to negative OC, but OC is what? C, the small c, so CO is negative C. So we have negative C plus 3b. You can rewrite it as 3b minus C. Okay, so now we have CQ to be what? 3b minus C. Okay, so that is it. The next one is we are going to find QM. QM is equal to, where is our Q? Our Q is here, M is here, so here we need this. So QM, we only need this. So QM will be equal to what? Negative MQ. Negative MQ. But MQ is the midpoint of what? PQ. So it's equal to half the vector PQ. We find PQ to be negative 2a plus 3b. So QM will now be negative half the vector PQ, which is minus 2a plus 3b. So this will give us what? Negative half times 2, negative 2a will be positive a minus 3 over 2b, and this is our Q vector QM. This is vector QM. So QM is a minus 3 on 2b. Okay, so we are now going to find MB. MB, that means from B to M. We are drawing okay, this is what we are finding, MB. So MB will be equal to MQ using the triangular law. You have MQ plus QB. MQ is equal to what? Half PQ. So we have half PQ is negative 2A plus 3B plus QB is negative BQ, which is what? 2B. Negative, so we have plus negative 2B. So here I have negative A plus 3 over 2B minus 2B. Negative A minus 1 over 2B. So this is for MB vector MB. So this is our vector MB. So therefore our vector MB is what? Negative A minus half B. So the final one is finding what? OM. We are going to find OM. So note that because they said the question stated that M is the midpoint of PQ, it doesn't mean that M is equal to half PQ, but PM or MQ is equal distance from each other, and vector PM is equal to vector MQ. But here we are going to find OM, which is not the same as PM or MQ. So let's draw our points. Okay, so we want OM. I believe you can see this. So let me cancel this, so that we can see the point I'm looking for. So that it will be clear, so that we can see the point we are looking for. So we are looking for this OM. So using this, so OM, we can say that OM is equal to what? OQ plus QM. So this is a triangle. You can see this. M is here, Q is here, then O is here. So using this triangle and using the triangular law, we can say that OM is equal to OQ plus QM. OQ, we find OQ to be what? 3B. OQ is 3B. OQ is OB plus BQ. So OB is B, BQ is 2B. So OQ is what? 3B. Plus QM. QM is equal to negative MQ. And okay, QM is already here. QM, so plus A minus 3 over 2B. So this is QM, we are using it. I have 3b minus 3 over 2b plus a. Let me bring my a first before that. So a plus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 over 2b. So OM is what? A plus 3 over 2b. OM is this. So therefore our OM is what? A plus 3 over 2b plus 3 over 2b. And this is all the question 10 is seeking from you, or is asking you to do. So this is where time will permit us. So in the next video we will answer the question 11. I want you all to try your hands on the question 9 and let me see your answers in the comment section. Thank you very much.